Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn how to create this code, and I will explain you about this Kubernetes deployment configuration for an Nginx application. Let's get started. In here, I have written code for you to understand how to create file YAML. This YAML code, it has function to deployment in Kubernetes and running application Nginx. This is YAML code, and the function of this code to create deployment in Kubernetes which running Nginx application. I will explain you about this YAML code easily. Before I explain you about this code, I will explain you what the difference between YAML code, Kubernetes, and Nginx. What is YAML code, Kubernetes, and Nginx? What the correlation between these items? What is YAML code? What is Kubernetes, and what is Nginx? I will explain you this item with analogy. YAML code, the function to give instruction to Kubernetes, giving instruction to Kubernetes. You can imagine you have manual book and you want your secretary, your worker to do based on this manual book. This is like manual book, and any people, maybe your worker, your secretary, to do something works based on this manual book, and YAML code like manual book. I hope I understand about this analogy. YAML book like manual book. Your worker, your secretary can do anything based on YAML book, because instead of manual book there is step by step to do this works. Next, for Kubernetes, this is like smart machine, and it has function to run and manage application. this is worker or smart machine, and it has function to do and manage application to do all of the works based on YAML code. I hope understand about this function of Kubernetes. And Nginx, next one, Nginx, this is application can be done by Kubernetes. This is like works or tasks or jobs. This is application which can be done by Kubernetes based on YAML codes. I hope you understand about this item, YAML code, Kubernetes, and Nginx before I explain you this YAML code. The main function of this YAML code, okay, I will repeat again. The main of this code, YAML code says to Kubernetes to run application. Okay, YAML code says to Kubernetes, please run application or Nginx 3 times. The main function of this code like this. YAML code says to Kubernetes, please run application, and the name of this application is Nginx. Please run this application in 3 times. This is the key point of this code. After you understand about the main function of this code, I will explain you each line code. API version, you can see in this line code. This is Kubernetes needs information what the version language will be used. You can see in here the version is 1. The version is 1, and this is or it is suitable for running application app version. And next line code, kind deployment, it is instruction to Kubernetes, and the function of instruction to keep this application always running and automatically can be alive if this application of kind deployment, it is instruction to Kubernetes to say or to keep this application always on or always alive. If any application off, so Kubernetes will activate this application. Keep always on. Keep always on. And metadata name Nginx deployment. This is just give information and giving name on configuration, and its name is Nginx deployment. It is just a name. Spec Replicas 3. YAML code says to Kubernetes, please running or run 3 pod. Replicas, it means YAML code says to Kubernetes, please make it this become 3 item. If anyone is off, so you can use the other one. Kubernetes makes 3 pods. 1, 2, 3. Container 1, 2, and 3. If there is one of these off, so you can use this which is still alive on 3 duplicate, and the other item for backup if it's off. Okay. Selector match labels app Nginx. The function for Kubernetes or Kubernetes understand what's the name pod will be run. Just giving label. If you see in the machine so many label, so many name, so if you give it label, it makes easy for Kubernetes to know what the name will be run. You can see next line code, template, metadata, labels, app Nginx. This is give information to Kubernetes. If you want to create a new pod, you have to give name to a new pod with label app Nginx. Okay, I hope you understand about this function of this line code. Next, spec containers, name Nginx, image Nginx, latest ports, container port 80. The function to run container, and the name of this container is Nginx. Kubernetes run container, and the name of this container is Nginx. And what's the version which is used? The version using the latest version. And what the function of port 80? Using port 80, it makes easy if you want to access through website. Port 80 for website port. I hope you understand about this code, and the point is YAML code says to Kubernetes to run application in 3 times. The name of application is Nginx. If you have any question about this code, you can comment on below this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.